Let's see how we can light up an RGB LED instead of 3 different LEDs using the same Arduino board. So first you see that we have the 3 LEDs that we have connected before, and now we'll transfer the existing connections to the new LED. And if you look at it, we can connect this voltage and ground wires to the specific pins. Now if you look in our software, then for each pin it also says which color it is, and according to that we could set a different color to our wire if we want. So in this case the first pin is green. We'll use a green wire, connect it of course to the voltage pin 3.3 volts of Arduino. Yep. Well, let's see, this is blue. So the first one was green, now we have a blue wire. Let's see if we can change the color for it. Blue. So red, green and blue, which is an interesting order. So RGB. Now the last one would be red. So in this case, instead of RGB, it is RBG. And then you might ask why there is an empty unconnected pin in why the second pin is not yet connected. Well, because that's the cathode, which is the common pin for all LEDs. And now, so all of them are connected to 3 volts, and now we connect also the common ground. So let's see if it works. Remember that we still have to use that resistor. And if you see it, the color that we see now in the LED is actually white. Although we are using red, green and blue, so 3 different LEDs, we see a white color. So the question is, why is it white? Of course, because when you combine all colors, then you get white. And as you can see now, you can play with different colors and see their combinations. So you connect 2 different wires, and then you get the color that results from their combination. I'm not really trusting this software, so if you spot some issues, please write it down in comments. Anyway, the point is that we have this Arduino board connected to one RGB LED and of course one resistor for the common pin. But now what do we do, because we don't want to be on all the time? So why not add some push buttons so that we can choose which color to light up and when. So we have our push buttons, and yep, now we have to change a bit the wires. So pay attention to these push buttons and how the wires are connected. Yeah, you could ask yourself if they interrupt pins on the same side or on the opposite side, or let's see how it is actually in this case. Well, do not complicate it too much. I would say let's stop this video here and continue in the next one with a more detailed explanation. So see you soon.